Hi everyone. From the last class, we have completed the symmetry operation and symmetry elements. What is the symmetry operation and what are the symmetry elements we have? I given the explanation. Before starting with a single symmetry elements and its classification in all its particular, I would like to give you some specific hints to better analysis of symmetry in molecule, right? So here the the point where we have to be very cautious or concentration to have symmetry knowledge on molecule. uh, Whatever we do the symmetry operations on molecule, we would like to generate the equivalent configuration or identical configuration we have to generate, right? The symmetry operation, either it would be rotation or reflection or inversion what we do, or rotation followed by reflection we do, right? So whatever we do on symmetry operation, when it is generates an identical or an equivalent structure, when it is generates, then only thus specific symmetry operations we would be consider. Okay, so for that equivalent configuration generation in a molecule while we do the symmetry operation, or to have the identical configuration generation from the configured molecule what we take, right? What we have to do is, where we have to be concentrate is the 2 points we have to be concentrate, right? when a molecule when a molecule's atoms are not changing their position, right, then in this case, right, after applying a symmetry operation, if the molecular's atoms are not changing their position, then in this case the configuration, the generated configuration after doing the symmetry operation, it would be either equivalent or identical, right? What I'm saying, after having a symmetry operation on a molecule, in this case, if the atoms are not changing their position, there the generated configuration will be, surely it would be an identical or equivalent configuration. Thus in this case the generated configuration will surely becomes equivalent or identical configuration. Let us see this, right? This point we have to analysis now. This is very specific point we have to remember, right? So if we take a water molecule, to have the example, to have this point analysis, I would like to take a water molecule and label the similar atoms hydrogens 1 and 2, right? Where if I do a symmetry operation on the molecule, where the symmetry where the atom position never be changes, right? So before these classes, I would, every time I would like to give you symmetry operation of rotation. I every time I take considered a symmetry operation of rotation. Here I take the reflection symmetry operation, where the reflection will be done with the help of plane, right? Just before class I said that the rotation will be done with the help of an axis, an imaginary axis, and the reflection will be done with the help of the imaginary plane, and inversion will be done with the help of a imaginary point, right? That's how we do, right? So here doing, I want to do the reflection, where what I want to do, the atom's position never should be disturbed, right? So here, by applying a plane with all the atoms, when we apply the plane, what happens is that atom position will change? May not be, right? May not be that happens. Why? Because as it is, the axis is the plane is passing through all the atoms, right? So in this case, the atom position may not be changed. Here this is the water molecule model, right? So here what we are doing, we are taking a plane, right, which is passing through all the atoms, right? Where while it is passing through all the atom, what it does, it bisects the all the atoms into half parts, right? While it is crossing the hydrogen atom, the hydrogen atom will be bisected into two parts, bisecting nothing but cutting into halves, right? While the plane applying onto the water molecule, it initially goes through hydrogen, where it does the bisection of hydrogen atom into two halves. One will be the below of the imaginary plane, the other will be above the imaginary plane. Same when it is reaching to the oxygen, thus oxygen also get bisected into two parts, cuts into two parts, where the half will be above the imaginary plane, the other half will be below in the plane. And when it is completely reaches to the second hydrogen, the second hydrogen also will get bisected into two halves, right? One half will be above, the other half will be below. Like that, the plane, while it is passing through the all the atom, it bisects the all the atoms, right? All three atoms of the water molecule, one of oxygen, two of hydrogens, will be get cuts into halves, right? Get cuts into halves. The halves will be the halves will be above and below for the plane, right? So after this, when they get reflected, what happens, right? Then the position of oxygen is changed. No, when the below half, the planes below half, when it is reflecting towards the above, right, it just replaces to the above half, and the above plane, above half of the oxygen, when it is reflected, that gets just replaces to the below half. Then when the halves of the oxygen is replaced one to other, is that the oxygen position change? No, the oxygen position will be remains the same, right? Same to that, when you go for the hydrogens also, the halves of the above halves of the hydrogens, when they get reflected, they reaches to the below halves, and the below halves when they get reflected, they just reaches to the above, right? Then what happens, there again the oxygen positions never be changes. H1 position will be in H1 only, H2 position will be in H2 only. So here what happening, all the atoms position is not changing, all the atoms are retaining their own position, so this is what the original structure we take in, and this is what generated. So comparing the generated configuration with original configuration, what is happening, the original configuration what we taken, it is in the V shape, above will be oxygen, below will be hydrogens, left one hydrogen, right side another hydrogen. Same the generated configuration also, V in shape, above will be oxygen, below will be hydrogens, and the hydrogen positions will be same, right? But here, this configuration is identical or equivalent? It would be an equivalent only, even though hydrogen is in the hydrogen, H1 is in the H1 position, H2 in H2 position, oxygen in oxygen position, right? But the phases of the oxygen will be get changed, right? When we coat the above surface, above half of the all the atoms in and with different color, with the below half, when we after this, when we apply the plane, what happens, the below colors will become into above, and above colors will be get into below, right? So far then, thus change will be gets the two different configuration will be suggest you the generated configuration is slightly different from the original configuration. So thus simple change makes that the generated configuration is as equivalent, not an identical, so whatever it may be, we are got the identical configuration, equivalent configuration, we got the equivalent configuration. This particular equivalent configuration, how we got, is that atom position is changed? No, that is what the first statement. When we apply the symmetry operation, either it may be rotation, reflection, or inversion, whatever we do, right? In this case, if the atom positions, all the atom positions are retaining their position, all the atoms are getting retained in position in the generated configuration, thus generated configuration sure be it is equivalent or identical. It would be surely equivalent or identical. So same when we do second time, when we apply the plane, here we got the equivalent. Na? I said that after retaining the atom's position, the configuration, generated configuration, either it would be equivalent or identical. Equivalent we proven. Now we have to go with proving of identical. When we apply the same plane on second time on the same molecule, then what happens? Thus again will bisect the all the atoms. Oxygen will be bisected into two halves, hydrogens will be get bisected into two halves, where the half parts of the atoms will be get exchanged, right? Front part will go down, down part will get front, right? When after getting exchange, is that the oxygen position or hydrogen positions get changed? No. When they do exchange the phases, right, front phase, back phase, when they get exchanges, the atom position never be changed, isn't it? So after this what happening here? When we compare this generated configuration, original configuration, is it equivalent or identical? It is identical. Why? Initially I said once one the reflection it is said that equivalent, but the second time I am saying that it is an identical. Why? Because one reflection, right, one reflection says that one reflection said that the above halves going down, below halves coming into front, but after in the second reflection what happening? The above halves getting into above position and below halves getting into below position. So here not only the atom position is same, the phases of the atom also be same from original configuration. So it is an 100% equal configuration. Never we have any even the phases, even the atom position is never differentiating the two configuration. The phases of the atom is never differentiating. So far altogether this particular generated configuration will become identical. Okay, like that. When in a molecule, when we apply the symmetry operation, if the atom position not changing, all the atoms position when it is not changing, then it surely generates the generated configuration, it should be equivalent or identical, right? So the second statement is, when similar atoms only get replaced each other, right, in this case equivalent configuration or identical configuration generates, right? So even when the similar atoms, right, not all the atoms here, in the second case what we are considering only similar atoms in the molecule. Thus only similar atoms in the molecule when get exchange their position, replaced each other, nothing but get exchange their position, in this case also equivalent identical configurations will be generated. The generated configuration will be either it is equivalent or identical, right? So same water when we consider, right, and here I would like to do rotation of an axis which is passing through on oxygen of water, vertically it is passing and having 180 degrees of rotation. What happens, right, while we do take this water molecule and doing 180 degrees of rotation, what happens, right, this particular water, while we do the rotation of 180, this is 90, right, this will be 180, isn't it? So this is initially we taken, right, while we do till here, while we do the rotation it will be 90, this is 180, this is 270, this is 360. So here I would like to do 180 degrees of rotation, right, half of complete rotation, right? So half of complete rotation, nothing but this, right? So this is 180 degrees of rotation. What happened at here after getting the 180 degrees of rotation? Before what we have, right, in structure it is an V shape, top will be oxygen, down will be 2 hydrogens, 1 hydrogen, H1 hydrogen in the left, H2 hydrogen in the right. Right. After getting rotation of 180, right, this is what 180. The oxygen position not changing. Is it the oxygen position is changed? No, it's still in the structure in the V shape and the oxygen in the top, right? And the position is just even this minute change is not happening. The oxygen position is retained, and the hydrogen positions are what? Right, they get replaced. This particular H2 before rotation it is in the right side, but after getting the rotation the H2 is getting in the position of H1 left side. The H1 left side, right, this particular H1 left side in the previous structure, in the original structure what we taken, that just getting in the right side, going into the right side and replacing the H1 position. What happening here? The H1 H2 similar atoms of hydrogens H1 H2 getting replaced or getting exchanging their positions, this after exchanging of the position, what is the configuration? Is the generated configuration is equivalent or identical? When we do that, what happens? This is what the configuration we taken, and after getting rotation, right, similar configuration we are having, right? This is V in the shape, top oxygen, down hydrogens, left side 100, right side 100, right? And thus are all after, right? Oxygen in the top, H2 in the left, H1 in the right, right? So this is what happened. H1 H2s are get replaced, oxygen in the still in the same position. So when we compare the generated configuration with original configuration, this is an equivalent or indistinguishable configuration, right? Since this is similarly in the V shape, the generated configuration similar to the original configuration in the V shape, top oxygen, down hydrogens, left side 1 hydrogen, right side 1 hydrogen, left side 1 hydrogen, right side 1 hydrogen. But the change what we can observe is the labeled hydrogens are just exchange their position, right? Before without the labeling of hydrogens, they would be 100% equal, but when we have the labeling, they would be having different structures, right? Different configurations they have. So far it termed as a equivalent configuration. So what happening from here to here? We just changed the similar atom position. We are not bothered about the different oxygen atom, right? In this particular water molecule we have two similar atoms of hydrogens, right? Two same atoms of hydrogen, and thus two same hydrogen atoms are get exchange their position, and thus exchange, after getting the exchange for the symmetry operation, generates the equivalent configuration, right? So when we do continue this again one more time of 180 degrees rotation, what happens? Is that oxygen position change? No. Is that hydrogen positions? Yes, they just exchange their position one more time, and this would be the generated configuration. When we compare this, it is an identical configuration, right? Even the labeled hydrogens never distinguish these two as two different configuration. These are two similar 100% same configuration. So this generated configuration will be called as identical configuration, right? So this is what we have to be every time observe, right? Whatever we do symmetry operations on molecule, to get what, to is that the operation is generating equivalent configuration or not, or identical configuration or not, it's generating, we have to observe, right? So after all, to generate identical or equivalent configuration, what we have to be check, what we have to be see, the same atom, the all the atoms should be never change their position. This should be observed while we do the operation. Otherwise the similar atoms should be exchange their position, then only the generated configuration will be equivalent or identical. When we have equivalent or identical configuration, that particular symmetry operation will be considered to be have in the molecule. Okay, so that is why this is a very important hint, right, to get proper analysis of symmetry in the molecule. I thought it, so I am explaining you. This is before going for the symmetry elements and more about the symmetry in molecule, right? So every time you have to remember this, right? Not only this, in the first lecture of symmetry, I expressed you three rules. Right? What are the three rules? The first rule is the molecular geometry and stereochemistry of molecule should be known. Molecule should be known to you. Without a proper knowledge of geometry, stereochemistry of the molecule, nothing but atoms, three-dimensionally the atom arrangement in the particular molecular structure should be exactly known to you. Otherwise, what happens, while we do the symmetry operation, the generated configuration cannot be exactly distinguished, or exactly you cannot figure out the generated configuration, and you cannot compare the generated configuration. Exactly, you cannot compare the generated configuration with original configuration, and you cannot distinguish either it is a equivalent structure or identical structure, or you cannot distinguish. So far you should be know about the geometry and stereochemistry of the molecule. It's nothing but atom arrangement in the molecule should be know for you, right, while we do the symmetry analysis on the particular molecule. The second point is the symmetry molecular model. The molecular model holding of, right, holding of molecular model should be in proper way. And the applying uh, the applying symmetry operation should be in proper orientation. Should be in proper orientation. It means that whatever we do the operation on molecule, right, there we have to be very cautious, right? We cannot directly consider a molecule to have symmetry operations on molecule, because the molecules are very smaller things, right, for which we will consider the symmetry models, right? There in the symmetry model we will assume that we will applying the symmetry operation, and the change we will be observed, right? So that's the how the symmetry models, right, should be hold in a proper orientation. Otherwise it leads to a error, right? Simply, while we take the water molecule in this particular holding way, it generates an rotation operation in the molecule, right? While we do consider a symmetry a model of water in this particular proper orientation, we can exactly observe the rotation, and we can exactly come to know that the rotation operation is that generating equivalent configuration or not. Otherwise, if we do consider the holding of model in a different way, in this way if we take consider, and if we do the rotation, what happens, right? What happening here? While we do the same 180 degrees of rotation with while we holding a molecule model in this way and doing 180 degrees of rotation, what happening, the hydrogen of here, it is changing to the above, right? The downward hydrogen is going towards the above, and this particular rotation is never be said that an equivalent configuration generating, right? The rotation, what is happening, the below hydrogen is going towards an empty space of above, right? Is this similar atoms are exchanging, is here the all the atoms are in the same position? No, the atoms are changing the position. This particular hydrogen is getting changing its position, so we cannot be have first option, right? So when it is not having the first option, the equivalent configuration or identical configuration never be generated. The second option, let we observe, in the second option, what we have to do to have the equivalent or identical configuration, similar atoms has to be exchanged. While we do this particular holding of molecule and doing 180 degrees of rotation, what happening is that similar atoms are exchanging? No, here is the hydrogen, and before the rotation here is an hydrogen. After getting the rotation, what happening, the similar atoms are not exchanging their position. The one of the hydrogen is getting replaced from its position to an empty space. So this never be an equivalent configuration, right? This may not be an equivalent configuration, and you can observe, right? While we having the before having an um, uh, rotation operation on this particular holding of water molecule, the below is the hydrogen. After getting the rotation, it is going for the above, right? This cannot be a equivalent configuration, right? When that is not an equivalent configuration, right, it never be called as a rotation. After this, what we can say, that after this particular rotation, we can say that the rotation is never be in the water molecule, but in exact way, when we do the rotation, the water molecule will be have rotation operation on it, right? If we do such holding of molecular model and doing symmetry operation on it, it leads to a errors. But while we take proper holding of molecular model and doing an proper orientation of rotation symmetry operation, right? Proper orientation of symmetry operation, nothing but the axis what we take, right, is an proper way, right? This particular axis vertical and going with oxygen atom is generates the rotation operation in water molecule. If you do in different way, right, same water molecule, if you do the same 180 degrees of rotation while we taking an axis horizontally, right, then what it happens, the oxygen position may be same, but the hydrogens are getting down, hydrogens will getting towards the above, and this will not be an equivalent configuration. This is not an equivalent configuration, so though there we can say that the rotation in water molecule never be possible, right? So this is also getting errors, right? And even when we do the rotation, while we take an axis which is passing through one of the oxygen hydrogen bond, either this hydrogen bond or this hydrogen bond, any hydrogen bond along the hydrogen bond, oxygen hydrogen bond, if we take an axis and do 180 degrees of rotation, what happens, again the hydrogen of this one will be gets the position of here, right? After getting 180 degrees of rotation, completely this shift to here, isn't it? Here to here 90 degrees, and when it is reaching to this position, it would complete at 180 degrees, right? So here 180 degrees, and these two structure, when we observe, these two are same? No, they are not similar or same. So this could not be an equivalent configuration. This is also leading that the rotation operation on molecule water molecule is absent. But actually, right, is that the rotation operation in water molecule present or not? Yeah, it is present, right? So having different orientation of symmetry operation also leads to a errors. So that there also you have to be very very cautious, right? And third point here, where we have to be cautious, the center of gravity should not be changed. change the position. Right, center of gravity position also should not be changed, where if it is changing the position, it leads to a and it never be generates an equivalent or identical configuration. Let us see that. Right, in the same water molecule, why I am every time taking an water molecule, because it is an easy structure to get simple analysis. Right, so here we know that water molecule will have the center of gravity point on oxygen, center of the oxygen atom. Right, so there in the case, if we do operation taking an axis in between of oxygen to hydrogen bond at any point of that, there at any point of oxygen to hydrogen bond, taking an axis and doing 180 degrees of rotation, right, it may looks the same structure is generated, but this is not the equivalent structure. This may not be an equivalent structure. Looking, they may be same, but when we observe, right, here what happening, the oxygen to hydrogen bond in between of that, the axis it has, so here it is has, right. So in this particular original configuration, right, with respect to of axis what we taken to do rotation, right, for that right side only hydrogen, left side it has oxygen and H1 hydrogen. After getting rotation, right, after getting rotation, what happens, this particular hydrogen just replaces till here, and this particular oxygen hydrogen will get replaced till here, right, like this, right, like this it happens, right. So after getting this all, what happening for this particular imaginary axis, right, here now in the right side only, in the left side only hydrogen, right side oxygen and hydrogen, right. But before the rotation, what happened, in the right side only hydrogen, but here after the rotation it has oxygen and hydrogen, right. In the left side it has only hydrogen, but here sorry, in the left side it has oxygen and hydrogen, but after the rotation it has only hydrogen. So this particular change will suggest that the generated configuration never be an equivalent configuration, it never be an equivalent configuration, right. So it means that what happening here, when we observe about the center of gravity, the center of gravity position is changed, right. Here from the distance, right, here in the center of gravity point, for the axis it is in the left side, after getting rotation it became into right side, it going towards the right side. So it means that the position of the center of gravity point is changed. When it is happens, the generated configuration never be a equivalent or identical configuration. There you may leads an error to have the symmetry operation on molecule. This particular rotation also never be called as symmetry operation, and it never be said that water will have symmetry rotation in the molecule. So all these leads to some errors while we do specific rotation in a specific way, right, it gives you a exact correct symmetry analysis, otherwise it gets a errors, right. So like this, these the hints, and these are the important points, right, will be gives you a exact analysis and easy to learn the symmetry in the molecule, right. That's the way it have, right. So here I conclude this particular session of the class, where it should be repeated, right, while we do operate, while we do symmetry on molecule, you every time repeat this particular video to get exactly about the symmetry in the molecule, right, and easy analysis will be you can observe.